we can create a function with def keyword. It is a reserved word. This is an example where I have taken the def keyword. After this, I have given the name of my function showing in the green, which is followed by opening and closing bracket and then after a colon. This is the way in which you can define a function. Pressing the enter after it will take you inside the function where you can put your code which will be executed when your function will be called. Here I have just put a print statement with hello from a function as a text. So let us write the code for this. This is the editor which you are familiar with if you have gone through my previous videos. So start with the def keyword, which is followed by the function name. I am giving the name same as the example, my function, these opening and closing braces, and putting a colon after it. Pressing enter and we are inside this function named my function. I am writing the print statement here. I have written this simple print statement. To exit from this definition, just hit enter twice. It will exit from the function definition.